In our busy world, missing a call or delaying a reply can cost a customer. Missed calls and slow replies hurt customer experience and revenue. Cebod's AI agent delivers 24/7 automated support across phone, SMS, and web chat, routes every inquiry intelligently, and plugs into your existing VoIP systems. Let's create a new AI agent. From your dashboard, go to Phone System and select AI Agent. First, give your agent a name. For example, we'll call this one Cebod Sales Assistant or Dentabot. Next, assign the agent a unique number. Here we'll use 3800. Now, enter the initial prompt. This is the greeting customers here. For instance, thank you for contacting Cebod Telecom. I am an AI agent, and I am here to answer any question related to sales or support. If you want this prompt to be spoken, you can also enter it under Voice Initial Prompt. You may keep it the same or customize it. Then set the system prompt. In this example, the instruction is, you are Kylie, a lead conversion specialist for Cebod Telecom. Your goal is to convert leads into demo appointments while keeping responses short, friendly, and professional. If the caller needs sales help, ask for their name and phone number. Finally, configure the Failover Destination. This is where calls go if the AI agent is unavailable. You can choose options like another user, a call group, an extension, voicemail, or even an external number. Once all fields are complete, click Save. Your AI agent is now active and ready to handle communication seamlessly. Ready to get started? Call us at 800-839-3817 or email sales@cebodtelecom.com. Our team is here to help you every step of the way.